Hi friends, this is 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy M31 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can do hard reset or factory reset reset smartphone Samsung Galaxy M31. First of all, long press this power button and click on power off option so your phone will be switched off. First switch off your phone and then use power button and volume up button together to initiate hard reset. I press here power button and volume up button together. Wait few seconds. Yes, hard reset menu has come. Here you have to select wipe data factory reset. Here select yes, factory data reset, second option. And yes, it has done. Wait few seconds. Now select first option, reboot system now. So your phone will be restarted. Yes, your phone is restarted and everything will be loaded. Just you have to wait from few seconds to a few minutes. And then you have to follow the on-screen instructions to set up your phone. Here I have set up my phone. Click next. Skip this step. Wherever skip, you can use skip button. Just a second. Accept terms and conditions from Google. Click next. Just follow the on-screen instructions, adding the finishing touches. Get recommended apps. Skip this step, you can later sign in. Click finish, just a second. Click OK. Click done. Select the language here. Click next. Click done. Click next. Click continue. Optimizing app, just wait few seconds. Click install. Yes, your phone setup is everything completed and now you can use your phone. That's all friends. Bye.